What's going on, guys? So I just made my first investment. I just did my first stock market investment. So I've bought 2 index funds. Something that I wanted to do for a while, ever since my sister recommended me to read a book from Ramit Sethi, how to get rich or something like that. And I realised that with my personal investing, I was going to do it into buy-to-lets, but then I decided that, that was just so iffy at the moment, all over the place, my opinion, from the research that I've done with the laws and regulations that the government has at the moment. Then you've got to deal with tenants and stuff. I realised that actually for long-term investing, I should be investing in index funds, something that Warren Buffett loves, raves about, and actually is one of his favourite investing models that he's made a lot of his money from. So yeah, index funds and things like that, index funds, target date funds, stuff like that. So yeah, I've done it. I've just invested £1,000 into half of it in the FTSE 100, half of it into the S&P 500. So yeah, exciting stuff. So that's 2 index funds. I've put £500 in each, and I'm going to start, putting it in on probably on a monthly basis if I remember, or I'll put in like a lump sum every few months. Something like that into the stock market, and just keep that compounding going. And as far as the data suggests from history, give it 10, 20, 30 years, although it sounds like a long time, that's all just working in the background for me now. So the plan is to build the company up, build the companies up, get them to generate big cash, obviously, keep reinvesting them, build them, pay myself certain amounts, with paying the least tax legally possible, obviously, and then investing that money into the stock market, so that I know it's a long way to generate wealth, but it's kind of like, why not, obviously I want to make a lot more money in the short term as well. I'm not the sort of person who just wants to be rich at 30 or 40. I want to be rich ASAP. And that's what the active businesses are for. I think having the active businesses on their own is great, but you haven't really got anything compounding apart from the business. Whereas also I think having the long-term investing on its own and just earning like a standard wage from your job is also probably not the best place to be. I think to have the active businesses and to have the long-term investing into the stock market, and then maybe diversify the portfolio with something later on like buy-to-lets and stuff, but maybe not buy-to-lets, more like commercial investments is what I'm going to go down. Then I think that's sort of a nice ingredient for long-term wealth rather than just making a lot of money right now, which is obviously the plan with the active businesses. So yeah, exciting stuff. I'm glad that I've done it. I'm glad that I've finally pulled the lever, if you like, because I'm not a fan of investing in stuff that I don't actually personally know that well. However, with the proven track record, I'm not taking that out. Like, that's in there for a long time, and I'm not even going to take any notice of it. I'm just going to forget about it and just keep topping it up and compounding it. So exciting stuff. I'm glad I've got the first £1,000 in there, and I'll keep you updated on this journey. Let me know in the comments below, do you invest?